Hey guys! So, it's been 6 months since my last vlog. So, naisipan kong i-vlog ang aking weekly, a week in my life as a college, second year college. Kakatapos lang kasi ng midterms namin. So, nag-i-start na kaming sa finals. So, sa hindi nakakaalam, I'm from National University, taking BS Architecture. Tri-sem kami and nasa third sem na kami and yung iba bakasyon na and kami hindi pa. Syempre wala kaming bakasyon. And today is 1:48 na ng May 22 and it's Wednesday and ngayon ko lang naisipan mag-vlog sana nung Monday pa, diba? But nung Monday kasi is not usually my productive day since wala pa kaming masyadong ginagawa. So, ngayon ko naisipan mag-vlog kasi gagawa ako ng plates. So, etong plate na to is about sa Edes Oraca since we're assigned na design lang is hindi kami allowed na syempre may hirapan naman kami if tatanggalin pa namin yung mga columns na nandun. So, we're assigned lang to renovate. Ang gagawin ko muna is ipa-plot ko muna yung floor plan na provided sa amin. And then, tsaka ko naiisipin yung floor plan. Kaya, yung tentative na ilalagay ko dun per floor. So, it's 4-story and meron silang rooftop. Samahan niyo muna akong magluto kasi it's 1:50 PM and hindi pa ako nag-lunch. Okay, so today magluto tayo. And kumain ako ng hotdog. And such. Okay guys, so anong oras na? It's 2:21 na and ang niluto ko lang is ito, hotdog, chicken and cheese hotdog and nuggets. Tapos lalagyan ko na lang siya ng cheese powder. And then, umorder ko ng maha, and which is my favorite. And yeah, I'll just take my lunch lang muna. I mean brunch kasi hindi naman ako nag breakfast.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it.
Formula, like. Okay guys, so it's time to work. So, it's 3:30 na. Kunin natin yung iba kong gamit kasi yung tracing paper ko is nandito na kagabi pa kasi hinati-hati ko to in half. And kunin ko yung mga gamit ko dito sa kabilang kwarto, which is sa kwarto ni Mama kasi nandito ang aking drafting table. Okay, sa kalagitnaan ng aking paggagawa is meron akong mais konyelo na binili ni Lola. So, thank you Lola! Thank you sa mga nagpapadala sa akin ng food. Lalo na kay Gecko. Lalo na kapag gumagawa ako, laging kailangan may food kasi yun lang yung nagpapalakas sa akin because hindi ako nagko-coffee and is mabilis ako mag-palpitate. That's why I need foods, snacks every gumagawa ako. Para buhayin ako. Yes.
Could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back? I'd always crawl back.
Yup. It's currently 9:43 PM. And ano oras ba ako nag-start kanina? I think mga 4 or before 4. And natapos ko na siya. So, ayan pala yung gawa ko. Yan yung sinabi ko sa inyo na 4-story. Ayan yung pang 4th plan. And then, ito yung rooftop. And, yep, hindi ko pa nalalagyan ng name ko. And after ko lagyan ng name, i-scan ko na lang siya. So, I'm using tracing paper, 15 by 20. So, yes, we survived. Okay guys, so today I will end my vlog. It's been a productive day. Sumakit yung likod ko after a long hours na nakaupo. Tomorrow is Thursday and it's my face-to-face and online class. So I need to wake up at 7 AM. Kaya matutulog na tayo. So time check. It's 10:37 PM and it's time to go to sleep. Bye guys. Good night. Okay you guys. Good morning. So I'm so sorry sa basa kasi toothbrush ako and yep. And then ang gagawin natin today is maglilinis ng kwarto. By the way, I have a class there. And then, maglilinis muna ako since, yes, that's my everyday routine. Tuwing morning, kailangan malinis at nalampaso ang aking kwarto.
Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me.
Proceed.
Okay guys, I'm about to go. Yan ang bag ko and yep.
Kahit sa book yung siya class tingnan, Greek architecture, applicable siya for adaptive reuse.
Hi, you mad?
Gago talaga. Hindi nga pas pansin.
Matthew! Uy, sama kayo sa vlog ko.
Ano na naman gagawin sa vlog mo?
A week in, in my life.
Week in my life. Hindi ko ka one-sided. Ito masilyo mo. Okay.
Biyahe pa lang pagod na.
May koridor. Pamilya ba kayo sa koridor? Yate, mag-ferry, kumapit sa jowa. Natin yung map niya.
Hindi naman po, doon sa part na yun eh.
off, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar-coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie.
Pasok.
Nakabukas po yung pinala si Mikay.
Nag-breakdown naman siya. Alam, sabi ko, sa mga ganyan sa'yo.
It's been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you knew what you want. What you want.
My neighbors look like Tyler Perry.
Ayan, no? Oh. Uy. Walang traffic, less stress.
Love the one.